A new BBC Arena documentary will spotlight the recovery of Paul McCartney's long-missing bass guitar, an instrument he played during the Beatles' formative years. The film is one of several new projects marking Arena's 50th anniversary. Originally launched in 1975 as a magazine-style program, Arena later evolved into a series of standalone films, with other upcoming releases focusing on JMW Turner's secret sketchbooks and LS Lowry's rediscovered audio recordings. Titled The Beatle and the Bass, the documentary follows the fan-driven initiative known as the Lost Bass Project, which sought to track down McCartney's Hofner 500/1 bass. The guitar, central to early Beatles classics like Twist and Shout and She Loves You, vanished in 1972 and had remained a mystery for decades. Reflecting on its disappearance, McCartney explained that when something of great sentimental value is stolen, the longing to recover it never fades. He recalled how the instrument seemed to vanish into the unknown, leaving him and others wondering where it had gone and hoping there was an answer. The film incorporates fresh interviews with McCartney, his brother Mike, artist and longtime friend Klaus Voormann, as well as collaborators including Elvis Costello. It also features members of the Lost Bass Project, who ultimately located the historic guitar hidden in the attic of a terraced house on England's south coast. In December of last year, McCartney performed with the recovered bass for the first time in over half a century during a show at London's O2 Arena. The concert also included surprise appearances by Beatles drummer Ringo Starr and Rolling Stones guitarist Ronnie Wood. The BBC has not yet confirmed release dates for the new Arena films,